Hello everyone, let's try to solve another board problem. By this time, it is under the category of mathematics, surveying, and transportation engineering. This is now our board problem number 29. Our discussion for today is all about analytic geometry with the topic straight line. In this session, we will perform some calculator techniques so that the viewers may learn so much. Let us start solving a problem. And now, still using the same CE board exam problem, situation 1, now we have our third strategy. Allow me to read the problem again. Given the following points A, 3 and 4, B, 2 and negative 6, we have to determine the equation of the straight line. A, 10x minus y minus 26 equals 0. B, 10x plus y minus 26 equals 0. C, 10x minus y plus 26 equals 0. And D, we have 10x plus y plus 26 equals 0. And to start for the solution of our given C board exam problem, let us start first with this. Let A be the point P1, where in A we have 3 and 4, the abscissa and ordinate, wherein x sub 1 is equal to 3 and y sub 1 equals 4. Then let B be the point P sub 2, B2 and negative 6, wherein x sub 2 is equal to 2 and y sub 2 equals negative 6. And then before we start doing the calculator technique using our Casio FX570 ES Plus or Casio 991 ES Plus, allow me to read this first. In our calculator, when dealing with the equation of the straight line, under the slope-intercept form, we have this formula, y is equal to bx plus a, wherein b, the capital B, is the slope of the line and the capital A is the y-intercept of the line. In this case, we have to solve for the values of b, capital B, and capital A using our Casio FX570 ES Plus or Casio FX991 ES Plus. And now, let us start solving the problem using our Casio FX570 ES Plus or Casio FX991 ES Plus. In order to start, let us start pressing the mode first of our calculator. After pressing the mode of our calculator, the monitor of the calculator will show this to us and will let us to choose. Then we have to pick 3 stat. After pressing 3 stat, the calculator will let us to choose again from this. And then we have to pick 2, which is equal to a plus bx. After pressing and choosing 2, a plus bx, the monitor will give us this. And we have to input the following values now of x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. We have now to input the following values in our calculator, wherein x sub 1 equals 3, y sub 1 equals 4, x sub 2 equals 2, and y sub 2 equals negative 6. And now, as we can see that all the values of x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2 are now recorded in our calculator. And then, after recording everything, all we have to do is to press AC. AC, or pressing it, that means that everything are now recorded and stored in the memory of our calculator. We can then now start solving for the value of the slope capital B. First, we have to press shift. And then we have to press 1. After 1, we have to press 5, means reg. After pressing 1, we have to press 5, means reg. Then the calculator will give us this. Since we are solving for the value of the slope b, we have to press 2. After pressing 2, the calculator will show this to us. And then for the next step, we have to press the equal symbol so that we can now solve for the value of b. Finally, we now have the result of slope b, and that is equal to 10, or b is equal to 10. And now, in order to solve for the value of a as the y-intercept, we have to press shift 1, and then our calculator will provide us this. And then we have to pick again 5 equals reg. By this time now, we have to press 5 means reg. And our calculator will give us this result. Then we have to choose again. We have to press 1 so that we can solve for the value of y-intercept, which is equal to capital A. We have to press 1 now so that we can solve for capital A, or the y-intercept. We have to press now the equal symbol from our calculator so that we can now have the value of A, or y-intercept. Then finally, we already have now the value of our y-intercept A, and that is equal to negative 26. And for the summary of our results, as we can see now, capital A equals negative 26 and B equals 10 as the slope of the line. Finally, we can now substitute the values of A and B to the equation y equals bx plus A. And now we have a resulting equation of the line as y equals 10x minus 26. And converting it to the general form, our final answer to this given C board exam problem is 10x minus y minus 26 equals 0.